Here's a quick 10-second stretch to loosen up your fingers and build speed. Spread the fingers apart, gently pull the thumb away, rotate the wrist outward and inward, keeping it relaxed. Interlace the fingers and press forward for a light forearm stretch. Unwind, ripple the fingers, then roll both wrists.
Watch how the hand hardly leaves the strings. Every movement is connected. Sliding keeps the tone singing and lets the next shape fall right under the fingers. Thumb stays anchored, fingers travel together. Here in slow motion you can see the index guides the shift while the...
Here's a slow tempo alternate picking workout at 60 beats per minute. Watch how little the pick moves. Down, up, down, up. The wrist stays loose, the pick slants just slightly, and the fingers stay relaxed. With the metronome, every stroke lines up cleanly. Now double it for eighth notes.